Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nifa Faces and Hair. Please first subscribe before doing anything else. Today we are going to learn how to print big knotlets. Have you ever tried it on? If you have never tried it on, just sit down. You are not going to regret, my dear. You are not going to regret. First, you are going to get molding gel. You apply as you can see. Don't panic. Take your time as much as you can. Take your time before first subscribe, then we can enjoy our channel together. Yeah. After, you are going to separate the hair into 3 parts as you can see how I'm doing it. Let me leave you and watch it clearly. Yeah, that was our hair for today. Thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.